Now, here's another automotive quick tip.
Millennials think when it comes to car care that they can get by with just doing the very bare minimum. And with vehicles, it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Have you ever had a check engine light pop up on your car? Yeah, I know a lot of you guys will go, you'll see that and say, well, I'm going to try and save some money, and I'm going to go down to Walmart, pick me up a code reader, a scanner, and then I'm going to pick up the code, and then I'm going to read it on Google. I'm going to Google it and figure out what it is. And then you're just going to buy the part at your nearest O'Reilly, probably a bad part because most people just don't know, and then they're going to pop that in and have the exact same problem 9 times out of 10. So to save you a little money, what I would recommend is bring your car down to Adams Auto Works so we can have a professional ASE certified technician get his eyes on that and diagnose that vehicle for you.
Adams Auto Works is your dealership alternative. Book your appointment today at adamsautoworks.com or call 510-403-8069. That's 510-403-8069. Adams Auto Works, keeping you moving.